minutes down this road. My goodness. Oh, the wind. It's so hot and windy. It's just unbelievable today. So I'm heading down, I think it's Burke Street, and it's telling me to go to the lights and then turn left and I'll see the station. So the other lady that told me to go to Waterloo Metro, but the locals obviously know that it's a long way away in Waterloo and takes 20 minutes to get there. So should I go this way or the other way? Oh, it doesn't matter. I think it's just underground, so you just have to just cross and then go to the left. Gosh, no wonder my hay fever is so bad. Oh, there's a KFC there. A real KFC? That doesn't look very. It's not in the red and white, so there's a KFC there. Maybe it's a Chinese KFC. So it's very Asian here. It's a lot of Asian little shops and apartment blocks. Sumerical supermarket. That's she told me there was an Asian supermarket. So she's talking about Green Square, but she said Metro. Metro is faster, but it actually is 20 minutes away. This is only 5 minutes away. Apparently there's a big T sign here. Ah, there we go. So it says airport line, so that is it, Green Square. So I probably could enter in both ends of the station. Green Square Airport Link. Well, it's not really an airport link, it's just a normal train line, manned train line. It's not even a metro, but it is just a private line. So let's head down here. Why is there a laundromat? Do the apartments not have their own laundries or communal laundry? Interesting. I'm just hoping that my Opal card hasn't been eaten up. Okay, I think I know what I've done now. I've gone down the wrong side of this. So I took a wrong turn and I went the long way. Well, it was just around the corner there. Okay, so down we go. Is that tunnel again? So it's quite far down underground, the Green Square, whatever it's called. The station that I'd actually like to go out to is Walleye Creek, or Wally Creek as people call it. It's not, it's Walleye Creek, because there's an interesting, I suppose it's near the Cooks River, so it'd be an interesting place to walk around, and there's shops there. I remember going there one year. A lot more interesting than this station, Green Square. So next time, if I have a chance, I might go out there. So I'm going to hop on this now and get to Central, and then I'm going to hop on the Metro. So thanks for watching.